Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD's slow performance in 2026. If AutoCAD is running slowly, lagging while drawing, or taking too long to open files, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, restart your computer and close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Too many applications can use valuable CPU and memory, reducing AutoCAD's performance. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of AutoCAD. Open Autodesk Access and install any available software updates, as they often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Now update your graphics card driver from the manufacturer's official website. Outdated graphics drivers can cause lag, slow navigation, and poor display performance. Next, open AutoCAD and disable unnecessary add-ins or plugins that you don't use. Too many extensions can increase loading times and reduce overall speed. If you're working with large drawing files, use the purge and audit commands to remove unused objects and repair file errors. This can reduce file size and improve responsiveness. Also, save your project on a fast SSD whenever possible and make sure your computer has enough free storage and available RAM for smooth performance. Finally, if AutoCAD is still running slowly, reset the program settings or repair the installation through Windows App Settings to resolve any corrupted files. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix AutoCAD's slow performance step by step. You should now enjoy a faster and smoother AutoCAD experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.